Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the trending Marionette dream aesthetic photo. A super dramatic, ultra realistic AI art style that looks right out a cinematic fantasy photo shoot. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Google Gemini Nano Banana. So let's get into it. First, just go ahead and open Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then just simply sign in using your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image or tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same ways to activate the Nano Banana, the Google News AI tool that will let you edit or transform your photo using just a prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. It can be a fully body photo or maybe a portrait or anything as long as you want it turned into a dramatic floating marionette style fashion artwork. Next, just tap on plus button to upload the image. And then next, let's write a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt exactly, like just screenshot it and then using Google Lens just copy it and paste it to your prompt box like this. But feel free if you want to change the prompt, like maybe adjust the outfit, pose or mood however you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then I will go back to my Gemini, paste it and then generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The result looks so absolutely stunning. It has the floating motions, the red strings, dramatic spotlight. Everything looks like a movie poster like this. It's so dramatic. And okay, that's how you can create the Marionette dream aesthetic AI photo using Gemini's Nano Banana. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.